Inga and Minnie are at home. While playing, Inga finds a coin.
Hey, look, a coin. Oh, let me get a piggy bank. Let's spend it. No, let's save it.
Minnie drops the coin in her piggy bank.
The piggy is shaking.
In a flash, the piggy bank becomes a mud piggy. It is Zino.
Dino, wow.
It's me. Saving helps. Ready to learn how?
Zino makes Inga and Minnie become tiny and sit in the big piggy ears.
Wow, this is cool. Yes, let's go.
Let's visit the nomads who travel to work, earn, and save.
They see a gathering of nomads. While the kids play, families are cooking in the open and sharing plans to work and earn.
Wow, a village. Why do they need to be on the move?
They don't have a choice. They move around to find work and earn a living.
Zino shares that they work in big farmers' lands and are meeting at the house of the eldest farm laborer in the family. Little Dhanu is his grandson.
They have gathered to celebrate the Shahra and find new work as rains are over.
Evening, they meet with a person who is writing their names and giving them money.
Who is that, Zino?
He is a money lender and a labor contractor. He gives them loans and then gives jobs to pay the loan back.
Little Dhanu notices the piggy. They start packing to go to work in a sugarcane field for the next 6 months to pay back their loan. Dhanu wants to take Zino Piggy along. A grandma and a young girl wave as the carts get ready to leave. School kids and the aged stay back. To keep small kids like Dhanu in touch with learning, a teacher also travels with them. The caravan settles down near the sugarcane fields and sugar factories.
They will camp, live, and work here for 6 months.
Huts ready? Cooking started? Wow, they seem to have adjusted so well.
The huts are made of dry sugarcane and its leaves, like the bullock cart. The men cut the sugarcane at the fields, while the women tie them in bundles for the sugar factory. At the factory, the farmers are given receipts recording the weight of the harvested sugarcane.
The farmers are given credit notes by the factory, not money. The factory pays the agent directly.
The receipts are taken by the agent to adjust the earnings against loans.
The agent also gives money for the next week's expenses.
Earn to pay one loan, then take a new one? It never ends. How bad.
The families then buy grocery or food items from the market. Sometimes laddus for the children, even notebooks, erasers, pencils.
This is how the nomad laborers survived, week after week.
Uncle and aunt catch Dhanu admiring school kids. Dhanu will like school.
Next year, they will leave Dhanu back in the village so he can attend school.
Great!
A contractor tells a farmer to put his thumbprint on a blank sheet of paper.
Father, stop!
All children should get educated, even if their parents are not. Then no one can take advantage of any illiterate person.
As evening approaches, the families get busy cooking and chatting. The kids get sleepy in the bullock cart itself. Zino leaves a replica of a mud piggy, so Dhanu will not miss it when he gets up. Zino and the kids get set to get back.
Compare and see how comfortable your life is.
Yes, Zino. Parents work so hard to make our life easy.
Back home, the kids slide out of Zino's long piggy ears.
Wow! Yay!
Different communities have different lives, but all have to earn, save, and spend wisely.
Zino transforms back as he gets set to leave.
Bye, Zino. Bye!
Bye, and remember, even little by little, you can save a lot.